Hello dear Cancer, welcome back to my channel and this is your second week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. If you're looking for a monthly reading for the month of June, please go and check out my channel. It's already uploaded. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe so that you can get the notifications when your signs reading is being uploaded. Also follow me on Instagram, the Moksha Tarot, for more updates. And if you're looking for a personal reading, ritual or counseling session with me, please stay tuned till the end. I will give you more information. Now your cards are already out, so let's begin. We will start with your career first. You've got the 6 of Stars, the 10 of Stars and the Pepes. First of all, let me tell you that some signs have popped out. I'm going to tell you those. You've got the Aquarius, Capricorn, Gemini, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising. So you could have them in your own birth chart, or the people that you're dealing with in your personal relationships or work can have those as well. I do see that maybe in the past, your life could have been very tricky in terms of money, in terms of position, in terms of power. Maybe you did not get recognized for your efforts, for your good work, or your career went up but it suddenly came down, and that kind of feeling is still lingering on, that fear around your job or your business, right? Like, I don't know if it's going to work or not. I don't know if I should do this or not. Maybe you are thinking of a change, like going for higher studies, changing jobs, switching careers, or starting a new business, but you're very fearful. Also, I do see that some sort of news or offers or invitations will be coming your way, which will be very good for you, like events, offers, like invitations, social gatherings, good networking, or job offers or opportunities coming your way. Now, I do see that you're a wise person. Your intuition is telling you something, right? You also know what is good for you, what is not. But sometimes you have a very bad habit of procrastinating. I do see with the Pepes card here, you are constantly procrastinating. Like, okay, fine, I'll go, I'll not go, like canceling on stuff, right? Or you know that there's a job opportunity waiting for you. Windows is going to shut soon, but you're still delaying it till the last minute. So please do not delay, because these opportunities, these might not come back. Grab these opportunities while you still have the chance, because you will be getting a lot of opportunities, a lot of offers and invitations this week, which will be very good for you. This is a time of taking action. So whatever you're thinking on, rather than sitting on that idea, please do it. Jump into it, start it, right? Without having any sort of negativity or fear around it. Let's see what's happening in your love life now. You've got the 3 of Moons, the 7 of Stars, and the Magician. Okay. Now, even if you do not have those signs that I just mentioned, which is Aquarius, Capricorn, Gemini, Sagittarius, Sun, Moon, Rising, that doesn't mean that this reading is not for you, right? It still can be for you. And plus, you might not know what Sun, Moon, Rising sign you have in your own birth chart, or the people that you're dealing with, right? If that makes sense. Now, I do see that in your personal life, you are waiting for some sort of celebration. You have a hope that, okay, my life is now going in certain direction. Maybe because somebody is going to propose to you. Maybe they're asking you out for a coffee date, or a proposal for marriage, or a proposal for relationship, commitment, or just being friends. But some sort of proposal is coming your way. I also see that maybe you have manifested this, because you've got the card of Magician, which talks about your manifestation powers. Your manifestation powers are really strong this week, guys. So the trick here is that you have to think positive. If you're going to bring in any sort of negativity, you are going to start thinking negatively. You're going to attract negative things in all spheres of life. Now, don't think that I'm only negative about my career, but I'm positive about my love life, because that's not how it works. Any negativity in one area will affect your other areas as well, even your health. So please make sure that that's not there. If you had any sort of problems in your relationships or your married life, that's going to go away, because you're manifesting a happy and peaceful relationship. So that's going to come your way with your spouse, with your children, with your family, with your in-laws, right? Manifest it. The more positive you think about your relationships, the more positive it will get.